What's the deal, YouTube? We in the daily right now. I just got to eat breakfast, but I'm about to go push up and grab, change clothes real quick and go get these rims. I got some new rims I'm about to grab. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. It's a little hour and 30 drive. I'm gonna take the drive because I can't find no good rims in the city for real. So I'm gonna take the drive, you know, go do what I gotta do. But yeah, so we about to fill up and head out. I'm gonna put them in the back seat. I'm about to go put some like a cover or something in my back seat so I could have some space to put the 2 in there and then 2 in the trunk without getting my seats dirty. Cause these seats, they got like a weird color, so it make them like it look like they dingy and dirty. I don't even got time for that. But I'm heading to the crib right now, so I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get changed, or when I get back to the crib, when I get changed and shit. I forgot to even show y'all these rims. You see it, man. We on the way, we on the way, we on the way. Turn that down real quick. We on the way, man. POV drive coming soon. Nah, I'm talking shit. We got a lot of but I'm damn near gonna pick y'all back up. I just want to show y'all a little footage of the road while I'm driving. I just drove an hour and 30 out. Alright, as you can see, we loaded up. I got my daughter with me. We heading to the shop right now to get these rims put on. It's been a couple days. It's a chill day today. It was like 70 yesterday, so I was just chilling. I ain't want to do too much yesterday, but we're gonna go get them installed today. It's so crazy because it looked like people could see me, but I'm guessing they can't because it's so clear. But yeah, I just found the tire shop finally, so I'm about to head up there and get them put on. Hopefully everything goes smooth. But yeah, that's the most part. Shit, I'll probably just pick the camera back up when I get them installed. So yeah, be back. These rims making so much noise. I was gonna get my pool when we arrive at 11:25. It's 11:13, 10-minute drive, 12-minute drive. That wasn't nothing crazy. Alright, we here now. About to get them installed.
That's what he's doing.
I'm about to put the rims on, baby.
You see the red one?
Yeah, he's jacking it up now. I should have did it before and after, but I'm gonna show y'all after, which y'all probably already seen a couple times. So that sounded weird. Should I turn the car off? Yeah, this is gonna turn it off since we're in there. We just cut it back on.
On your dough.
On
your dough.
Not yet. We're gonna wait, baby. Okay? You scared? Yeah. We gonna wait till he done.
He's done?
Yeah. But yeah, I ain't gonna sit here. I'm gonna wait till they done, and I'll be back when they done. Alright, after being there for fucking 4 hours, it feel like, we got them put on, got the old ones took off. I'm about to list them and sell them. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of them if anybody interested in them. But yeah, oops. It feel like it's higher and they ride better. I don't know. I got a stagger look, so I'm gonna show y'all. A little pull on the new tires real quick. Yes, sir. I'm wondering when that's gonna go away though, cause all of them got tire pressure sensors in them, so I'm hoping it go away soon. Or like, how the fuck will it work? I know I be acting like a bot. I ain't been worried about this car shit in so many, you know, months and shit. Take her, boy. What's a lot going on right here? I think I'm gonna start recording like this. Turn the exposure up a little bit. It'll look a little bit cleaner and better. Let me know how y'all feel about this though. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to a spot and I can show y'all how the car look with the new rims and shit on. So yeah, I'll probably go to the gas station. That's how we coming.